Have you ever made a mistake and wished you could just start all over? It is a common struggle for everyone. Let's look at Anna. Her boss told her, "Next Monday, you will have a clean slate." Anna was confused. She spent the entire weekend looking for a literal stone slate to wash with soap and water. Her coworkers laughed gently when she arrived at the office with a bucket and sponge. Oops, what a mix-up. So, what does a clean slate actually mean? It means a fresh start where your past mistakes or records are forgotten. Figuratively, it is like a blank piece of paper. You can write a new story without any of the old marks. The idiom comes from old schools where students used slates. They would wipe them clean to start their work again. Now, let's see it used correctly. Anna started her new project with a very positive attitude. She told herself that her past errors did not matter anymore. She truly had a clean slate. She told her friend, "I am so happy to have a clean slate at this new job." Here are some examples. Moving to a new city gave me a clean slate. This means having a total new beginning. After the apology, they started their friendship with a clean slate. This means their past problems were forgiven. To remember this, think of an erased chalkboard. Everything is gone and it is ready for new writing. Just remember, slate equals start. A clean slate is simply a clean start. Fun fact, in the past, people in taverns kept track of debts on slates. Wiping it meant the debt was gone. This idiom is used in many movies to show a character changing their life for the better and moving on. Today, we use it for digital files too. Clearing your history is like a digital clean slate. Similar phrases include a fresh start, turning over a new leaf, and a new beginning. Opposite phrases are carrying baggage, a stained record, or being stuck in the past. Related idioms are clear the decks or starting a new chapter in life. A common mistake is saying a clean plate. Remember, it is a slate, like a small old chalkboard. Also, don't use it for literal cleaning. Use it for opportunities and second chances in your life. Time for a quiz. What does a clean slate mean? Is it A, a dirty floor, B, a fresh start, or C, a heavy stone? Great job! Today we learned that a clean slate is a beautiful chance to try again and do better. Now it's your turn. Have you ever had a clean slate? Tell us in the comments. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.